What's up, guys? Welcome to another Discord fix. Let's just get right into it. I know people hate when you waste time. So let's see. First of all, you have to close Discord. So then you just open Task Manager. Then you see Discord here and just end task. Now this is closed. You can go here too. Just confirm. No Discord. Great. Then you open Control Panel. You just search Control Panel in the search bar, uninstall a program, then you look for Discord. Here we have it. Uninstall. Just wait for that load, and then after that you want to take some time. After that you want to go to the search bar again and type cmd and open command prompt. And here you type gp update space, then a slash and force, and then you just wait for that to update. Takes a few seconds. There you go. Then that's updated, and then you type, and again you press the Windows button plus your R, which opens this, or you can type just run in the search bar, and then you go to appdata %appdata %. Okay, and then you find Discord here, then you delete it. Nice. And then you go to that same thing again, the Windows button and the R, or run. You see here, same, but you put local in front of it, so it's like %local appdata %. Then okay, and then you find Discord again, Discord, and then you delete these two, delete. Then we're good here. Now you'll delete Discord, so now you just go to your Chrome again, or whatever, internet. Then you go to discord.com, discord.com, and then you just download it for Windows or whatever you're using again. You might want to restart your computer before installing. Some people have to do that, but I'll let you guys figure that out yourself. Hope this works. Have a great day, and talk to your friends on Discord. Bye.